For this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Learning Catalytics site, some key features in the Learning Catalytics site, and to show you how to create a course. So the first thing you need to do is to open a browser window. You can either use Chrome, Google Chrome, or you could use Explorer. So these are the two browsers that I often use for Learning Catalytics. And then what you need to do is type in the website for Learning Catalytics, and it is http://www.learningcatalytics.com. Okay, so once you do that, it will bring you to the home page of Learning Catalytics, and then you can sign in. So using your username and password, you can now sign in to the site. Once you go in, you will come to this page called My Courses, and it will show you all the courses that you have created if you have any courses or any course that has been shared with you. So for today's video, I'm going to also show you how to create a course. To create a course is quite easy. So what you need to do is just press on the button, Create a Course. So I'm going to create a test course for myself. So to demonstrate to you, I'm going to call it under my name. Okay, so this is a demo course. You will want to choose your discipline. So I'm a physics teacher, so my discipline will be physics. Click on it, save and continue. Once you get that, you can indicate the start and end date of your course. Sorry, the end date of your course. So I'm going to end my course maybe in December. So I'll use 31st December. So if you're taking a 2-year, taking the class for 2 years, you may want to do it 2 years later. The classroom, this classroom is a sitting map. You can create a sitting map for your classroom. This will be useful if you're using some of the instruction-led course quizzes, and where you want the students to partner up with someone or to look for someone that's seated near to them. But for team-based learning, this is not a feature that I use, so I'm going to leave it blank. Then under settings, you can set the number of hours that you are going to allow the students to review the questions and answers in your delivered modules, which is your quizzes. So for me, I often set it to 0, so that immediately after the quiz, the students, if they want to review the quizzes, they can review it. I'm also going to enable I don't understand button. This will allow students to ask me questions during the quiz by sending a message to me. This is automatic pacing. This is when you have some automatic delivery of instructor-led quizzes. So I don't use this in team-based learning, so I'm going to leave it off. You can always enable this feature some other time. All right. For the rest of the settings, these are usually not important if you're not if you're using it for team-based learning. It's mainly used for automated synchronous quizzes and instructor-led quizzes. So I'm going to leave it as default values. Once I've done that, I will be able to save this setting. You can always come back again and change any settings if you need it later. So once it's saved, this is my new demo course, and then I will see this page, and I will be able to create quizzes in this page. All right, so I'm going to go back to my courses again, and if I do a quick look, I should be able to see that I actually have a demo course that's created inside one of my courses. All right, so that's it for creating a course on Learning Catalytics.